Good day to everyone. So we have a discuss 10 probabilities calculation. So we have a three events are disjoints. So inside of the sample space, we have a three events. We have A, B, and C. And in the outside, we have a probabilities of A union of B and union of C. So because in and consistent of lock set and with that blue set. And am I going to be expressing the union of these three sets as follows. So we have A union of B as follow. We have a green set union of C. So we have applied the additivity axioms. We have a probability of A union of B plus probability of C. So we have apply again the additivity axioms. So we have a probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C. So that's the formula of 1. So we have another problem. So we have A is bigger than the others. So inside of the sample space, we have A and B is bigger than A. So B is bigger than A. We have B is equals to A. So what's going on? So B is not belong to A. So we have a B and A complement because B is not belong to A. So we have a complement. So apply the additivity actions. So probability of B equals probability of A equals plus probability of B intersection of A complement. So these are a non-negativity. So we have a probability of A. So that's the problem of event is bigger than others. Yeah. So we have a problem 3. So this problem are not disjoints anymore. So inside of the sample space with A and B. So in the A, they scratch. So A intersection of B complement, because A is not belong to B. So we have A and the B, A, B, C. So in the B, we have a probability of A intersection of B, and in the C, we have a scratch, and not B is not belong to A, so we have a probability of B intersection of A complement. So we have a probability of A union of B equals, so let's combine the A plus B plus C. So let's apply the additivity actions. We have a probability of A plus probability of B minus this probability of A intersection of B equals so let's try to find this A, B, and C. We have A plus B, because A plus B plus B plus C. So let's subtract the intersection of B. So let's B equals A plus B plus C. So we have A, B union of B, A union of B, and greater than to equal of B and the probability of A plus probability of B. So this probability A intersection B is always non-negativity, and these parts are, we have a union of bound. So we have a problem for, so as you can see, we have A union of B union of C. So inside of the sample space, we have a three events. We have A, B, C. So probability of A union of B union of C. So in this first, we have a So A is belong to A and B. So in the B is not the same of the A because B is not belong to A. So we have A, B, intersection of A, complement. So in the C, but in the last part we have A, C is not belong to A and B. So we have A, C, intersection of A, complement, and intersection of B, complement. So that's all the problem of 4. So we have a 2 rolls of a trahedral die. So we have a calculate this three problems. So we have a x is equals to 1. So we have a in the x we have a 4 elements of 1. So we have a 4 times 1 over 16 equals 1 over 4. So this probability of z equals to 4. So we have a x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 4. So we have a 1. So 1 over 16 because we have a 16 outcomes. So in this we have a probability of z is equals to 2. So we have a the x and y we have a this and is greater than. So let's try to count 1 2 3 4 5. So we have a found 5 elements times 1 over 16. So that is the answer of these problems. So we have a probability calculation of continuous example. So we have a x is y such that 0 is less than or equal to x and y, and less than to equal to 1. So we have a uniform probability of law, a probability of equals to area. So we have a 2 sum of less than or equal to 1/2. So we have a of the event. So in this area this line is the equal of x plus y is equals to 1/2. So let's see the outcome. In this event, let's calculate this. So 1/2 times 1/2. So this area of the triangle and this one is base of the triangle, is the base, then times 1/2, and this one is the height of the triangle, is equals to 1/8. 0 equals to 0. So this 0 is area of the single point. Okay. Yan. So we have a problem solving. A bag contains 5 green marbles and 5 pink marbles. 2 marbles are selected randomly. What is the probability that the 2 marbles are not both pink? So we have a pink, and I get the 2 pieces of pink, then subtract into 1. So you have a pink and 2 pieces of pink, and get the 5 pieces of pink marbles, then get the total of marbles. So times 4/9 because we have subtract into 1. So carry this, and 5 divided by 10 is 2. So we have 2, and 2 equals to 2/9. So we have a 1 subtract 2/9 equals to 7/9. So that's the answer. So what is the probability of flipping a coin and getting heads 4 times in a row? So let's try to compute this. So for example, we have a, in 1 times we have a 1/2 of probability, and second time we have a 1/2 again. So we have a 4 times, so we have a 4 times to flip. So 2 times 2 is equals to 4, and 4 times 2 is equals to 8. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. So the answer is 1/16. So this is the answer. So we have another problem. A pair of dice are rolled. What is the probability the sum of the numbers equal to 5? So take a look this. Meron po akong ginawang ditong box ng dice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. A 2/1, 2/2, 2/3, 2/4. So 3/1, 3/2, 3/3, 3/4. So we have a 4/1, 4/2, 4/3, 4/4. So let's try to compute the sum of 5. So we have a 1/4, 2/3, 3/2, and 4/1. So we have a 4 probabilities and 16 outcomes. So try to compute the answer. 4/16 equals to 4 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4. So 1 is equals to 4. So the answer is 1/4. So we have a last problems. So 60% of the numbers of a university orchestra are seniors and 45% of those seniors are in the university band. If one member of the university band, if one member of the university orchestra is randomly selected, what is the probability of the member is a senior band member? So we have a 45% of those and 60%. So let's times this. So we have a 2,700. So it's x this and add 0. So the probability is 0.27. So the answer is B.